This artifact is a handmade fan skirt from around 1956, the same year Elvis made his movie debut in Love Me Tender. It's made of black corduroy with bold pink block letters that spell out Elvis Presley. The skirt has a zipper closure and shows signs of fading, hinting at its life before it entered the Graceland Archives. Each letter was imperfectly hand-cut and stitched to the fabric, which gives the skirt a very personal, homemade feel. At the New York premiere of Love Me Tender on November 15, 1956, fans lined the street in handmade outfits and signs, hoping to catch a glimpse of Elvis. In newsreel footage from that night, you can even spot a skirt just like this one in the crowd as fans cheer and wave at the cameras. It's a small reminder of the creativity and devotion Elvis inspired in fans around the world, even at the very beginning of his career. The care put into every stitch reflects the connection Elvis had with his audiences from the very start.